Jai Jawan, Subedar Palay Ram, a jewel in the crown of 3 Jat Battalion who refused evacuation till the national flag was hoisted atop the bunker. Men from Daboda Kalan, Mantauti and Badani villages in present-day Jajjar district of Haryana traditionally chose the army as a career, and they still do so with pride as a duty to the nation. And all 3 villages can rightfully boast of having produced Gallantry Award winners. These villages have also sent the highest number of SOVAs to Jat Horse Yeomanry raised in 1857. The first all Jat Horse Yeomanry was later on designated as 14th Murray's Jat Lancers in 1903. Palay Ram, son of Bhajan Singh, was born at Daboda Kalan village on May 20, 1922. Following into the footsteps of his father, he too joined the army. Since there was no school in his village, whatever he learnt was during his service with 3rd Battalion of Jat Regiment, in which he was enlisted on May 20, 1940. During the 1965 war with Pakistan in the Western Theatre, the iconic Battle of Dograi was the one fought and won by the brave Jats of 3rd Battalion, first with guns and grenades, then with bayonets, and finally with bare hands on the dark night of September 21-22, 1965. For its gallant action, 3 Jat Battalion was awarded 3 Mahavir Chakras, including to its commanding officer, Lieutenant Colonel Desmond Haight, 4 Veer Chakras, 7 Sena medals, 12 mentioned in dispatch, and 11 Chief of Army Staff commendation cards, the highest tally for any battalion or regiment of the Indian Army in a single battle before or since the Battle Honor Dograi. Dograi is a small town across the border on the Amritsar-Lahore road and a gateway to Lahore, just 13 km northeast of it. It was also a vital ground for the Pakistan Army to defend to obviate a free run by the Indian Army onto Lahore. Based on inputs received from various intelligence sources and through physical patrolling, it was believed that the main Pakistani defences with concrete bunkers and pillboxes along the Ichhagil Canal and Dograi town were also supported by enemy tanks along the Pul Distributory astride Upper Bari Doab Canal on the flanks. As per 54 Infantry Brigade operational orders, 3 Jat Battalion was to attack Dograi at midnight on September 21, 1965. A brief account of Subedar Palay Ram's gallantry is available in the war diary of 3 Jat Battalion, which reads, "During the attack on Dograi, Subedar Palay Ram was the platoon commander of the reserve platoon with C Company. When C and D companies were engaged in a hand-to-hand fight in enemy bunkers, the reserve platoon headed by Subedar Palay Ram was ordered to capture the actual company objective. Subedar Palay Ram led the attack under heavy fire from light machine guns from left and right flanks. He himself crawled up to one machine gun bunker and silenced the gun by lobbing a hand grenade. Though seriously wounded, with disregard to his own safety, he made his way to another machine gun bunker and destroyed it by courageously lobbing another hand grenade inside. Motivated by the exceptional courage and determination of Subedar Palay Ram, his platoon fought valiantly and captured the objective by the first light of September 22, 1965. Subedar Palay Ram received 7 bullet wounds during the fight but refused evacuation till the mopping up of the defences from bunker to bunker was carried out and the national flag hoisted atop the highest bunker. For his indomitable courage and exceptional bravery in the face of the enemy, Subedar Palay Ram was awarded the Veer Chakra. Subedar Palay Ram was also a military medal awardee during World War II and a veteran of the first war with Pakistan in Jammu and Kashmir in 1947-48. Jai Hind.